Sometimes people won't understand you. That's life. At times they don't value your vision. That's human. In some instances, they do not know where you are going. Don't call that blindness. It's not ignorance either. Some will not give you their attention. They are not ignoring you. It's just that they are focusing on something else. It doesn't mean that what you have is not special. It only means it's yours to think about. Do not transfer your dreams. That other vessel may not be virtuous enough to comprehend it. Because somebody loves what you are doing, that doesn't make it of no value. Believe in your aptitude. Trust God. That you have a reverie is not furtive. Never disremember that your dream unaided. This world we live in is a confused world. This is a malevolent world, a world that sanitizes corruption and thuggery, where supremacy makes you immune to lawfulness, a world in which you are not allowed to reason differently, with societies who fashions adulterated systems which are revered more than God, with churches which crowns politicians, and men and women of God who praise sin, in which politicians hold rallies at church gatherings, yet preachers are not allowed to criticize politicians, where the politicians are at liberty to talk about the church, but the church is forbidden to talk about politicians whom their members fought for. This is a confused world. A world where the confused call others confused, with men who can't live with their wives but are charged with responsibility over churches and countries, where a man who committed to celibacy is called father and the woman sister. Pastors have spiritual fathers and congregants have grandfathers, but there are no spiritual mothers. Heathens are allowed to be rich and Christians must be poor, where pastors preach against other pastors and leave the devil in peace. This is a confused world. When they speak of human rights, the only humans they know are members of their cult. No rights are enjoyed by antagonists. They survive on privileges. You are given that which they can easily take. In this world, thieves are elected into higher offices, where dunderheads and foolish become wise the moment they assume a political office, and there is dishonor in the word honorable. A world where tribal inclination is more important than wisdom. A world with women who cry for equality with men, yet they want men to serve that equality on a platter. With women who think being a woman is an investment. It's a confused world. Real friends show up in time of trouble. Remember, life is two episodes where enemies can be your friends on your wedding and at your funeral. At your wedding, they booty food and mock you. At your funeral, they want to be sure you are gone. Don't be deceived by numbers. Many shed crocodile tears because they are crocodiles. The rich tells the poor that it shall be well, yet the rich can't sleep on their luxurious beds, and the poor have deep sleep on the floor. It's a confused world. Do not be confused by the confused, because they do not know that they are confused. If you allow the confused to confuse you, then you will become confused. But always remember this: there is no redemption for a confused man. Confusion is not wisdom. Confusion will remain confusion. Don't be confused.